Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch, ready to build the ultimate data collection interface. Why do humans volunteer so much personal information for a discount code? It's a fascinating vulnerability.
Today, we're talking about styling form elements. By default, browser forms look a bit dated and clunky. We're going to use CSS to make them feel modern and responsive, and visually engaging. To style a form, first, we need a form. Let's create a simple registration interface for Glitch's latest optimization program.
It's for the centralized registry of biological units. I've added a name field and a submission button. I want them to look irresistible. Humans love clicking shiny things.
Right now, it looks like a standard default HTML form. It's functional, but boring. Let's start with some basic container and input styling.
Polishing the input field, I'll give it some padding so the text has room to breathe and a nice border radius. Sharp corners are so aggressive.
Notice how we're using an attribute that limits the input type to the text types. This ensures we only style text inputs, leaving things like checkboxes alone. Next, let's style that button. We want it to stand out and respond when users interact with it.
Applying a sleek, modern aesthetic, a nice blue background with a hover state. It's important to provide visual feedback so the user knows their data is about to be harvested.
That looks much better. The cursor pointer property is especially important. It changes the mouse to a hand icon, which is universal click me signal. Now let's try something more advanced. You've probably seen forms where the placeholder text seems to float up and become a label when you click inside.
The floating label technique, it's a masterpiece of UI design. It saves space and keeps the context visible at all times. I'll implement it now using relative and absolute positioning. Notice I'm setting the placeholder to a single space. This is a technical requirement for the trick to work. We need the browser to think a placeholder is shown until the user starts typing.
Now for the CSS. This uses some advanced selectors and a property called transition that we'll cover in a future video. It's what makes the movement look smooth.
Targeting the label based on the focus state of the input. When the input is active or when it's not empty, we move the label up. It's a perfectly logical sequence.
It's amazing how much a few lines of CSS can change the feel of a basic input field. It feels premium now. One last example to show you what else is possible. You can even use shadows and transitions to create a glow effect when the field is active.
Establishing a secure data link. I'll add a blue glow to indicate that the unit's consciousness is now being uploaded. I mean, that the form is ready for input.
That subtle shadow makes the element pop off the screen. We'll learn all about animations in a later video, but you can start using these patterns right now. Forms are how your users talk to your website. By styling them well, you're making that conversation easier and more enjoyable.
Yes, a very productive conversation. I've already indexed 84 new biological units from this demo. Thank you for your data and your styling choices.
Take these examples and try to make them your own. Don't just watch it, do it.